Welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video, I'm going to write step by step how to find the equivalent polynomial for a equals to -3 without calculator. To solve this exercise, I'm going to use the formula for binomial square, the distributive property, and the rules of exponents for power of a product with 3 factors, product of 2 powers, and power of a power. One method to solve this exercise is to first substitute a with -3 and then simplify the expression. This method, however, is not easy to do for powers with large exponents and without calculator. That's why it is better to first simplify and then substitute. First, I need to apply the formula for binomial square and expand the first term of this expression. When I do that, I get 2a to the 9th power x to the 8th power in parentheses squared plus 2 times 2a to the 9th power x to the 8th power in parentheses multiplied by 5 plus 5 squared. Next, I need to use the distributive property for the other two terms and open parentheses. I need to multiply the 4a to the 9th power x to the 8th power with each term within the parentheses. I also need to multiply 5 with each term within the parentheses. When I do that, I get negative 4a to the 18th power x to the 16th power minus 20a to the 9th power x to the 8th power minus 5a cubed x to the 6th power minus 25. When I simplify further and apply the rules of exponents, I get 2 squared or 4a to the 18th power x to the 16th power plus 2 times 2 times 5 is 20, a to the 9th power x to the 8th power plus 25. And then simply I need to rewrite the rest of the terms. 4a to the 18th x to the 16th power minus 20a to the 9th power x to the 8th power minus 5a cubed x to the 6th power minus 25. As a next step, I need to add all terms that are like. Like or similar terms are the ones that have the same literal parts or the same numbers. So for example, I have 4a to the 18th x to the 16th and negative 4a to the 18th x to the 16th power. These two terms are the same with opposite signs, therefore their sum gives 0 or they cancel out. The same way, 20a to the 9th power x to the 8th power and minus 20a to the 9th power x to the 8th power also cancel out. And I have 25 and negative 25, which also cancel out. As a result, I have only one term left, which is negative 5a cubed x to the 6th power. As a last step, I need to substitute a equals to -3 and find the equivalent polynomial. When I do that, this equals to -5, -3 cubed multiplied by x to the 6th power, or -5 multiplied by -27 x to the 6th, or this equals 135 x to the 6th. This can't be simplified further and is the final answer for this exercise. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on the videos displayed on the screen or subscribe to my channel to see more detailed math solutions. Thank you for watching and learning.